Sec 3A Maths. Now we are going to do question number 7 of your May holiday assignment. Now let's read the question. Find the values of A and B for which 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is a factor of 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus A bracket x squared plus x plus B. Now, when the moment you see that this is a factor, the first thing that should come to your mind is that remainder is 0. Okay, and if remainder is 0, we can then write the famous statement that we always write, which is the dividend equals to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. So this is 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed plus ax squared plus x plus b equals to, I don't know what is the quotient, but I know what is the divisor, and the divisor is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 plus the remainder is 0. Okay, so from here, what I can do in the next step is to factorize the divisor, and there's nothing else I can really do here. So now if you factorize the divisor, 2x squared plus 3x minus 2, you factorize using the cross method, you get 2x squared, this is minus 2, this is plus 3x, 2x, x, I would say this is 1, this is 2, plus, no, not plus, plus, 1 plus and 1 minus, no, this is 2, this is 1. So this is 4x, this is x, plus, minus, plus, minus. Alright, that's the factorization. You get 2x minus 1, x plus 2 equals to 0. From here, immediately it should become very clear to you that you should use smart substitution. Now, how to use smart substitution? I want to make these things 0. How do I make this thing 0? Very simple. I just substitute. Okay, to make this thing 0, I just need to substitute x equals to half, and that's what we are going to do first. So we're going to do substitute x equals to half. We're going to do that first. Then I have 2 half to the power of 4 plus 3 half to the power of cube plus a bracket, this is half square plus half plus b. And because I substitute half, it's qx times 0 times x plus 2. Now 0 times anything gives you 0. Okay, so I just need to work out what's in front. So if I press my calculator, 2 bracket half to the power of 4 plus 3 bracket half to the power of 3, I will get, okay, sorry, let me press again. 2 half to the power of 4 plus 3 half to the power of 3, I get half. Plus, this is a, half square plus half, 3/4, plus b equals to 0. Multiply by 4 throughout because I don't like fractions. I get 2 plus 3a plus 4b equals to 0. So 3a plus 4b equals to 0, and I'm done. That is for equation number 1. Now, remember we got two unknowns, a and b. So definitely there will be two equations. That's the first equation. Now, there's one way to make the right side equals to 0, and the other way to make the right side equals to 0, this is x equals to minus 2. I just need to substitute x equals to minus 2. So, I'm going to do the same thing. Substitute x equals to minus 2. So, I'll have 2 minus 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 plus a minus 2 square plus minus 2 plus b. equals to the quotient, which I don't know what it is, 2x minus 1, and then it's very simple. X minus 2, I substitute, I get 0. So 0 times whatever gives me 0. So the right side is just 0. Now I just have to work out what is this. So 2 negative 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 negative 2 to the power of 3. You get 8. So this is 8 plus, what is minus 2 square plus minus 2? You get 2. So this is A, this is 2 plus B. Now simplify, I will get 8 plus 2A plus B equals to 0. And that's equation number 2. And there you go, I have a pair of simultaneous equations to work out. Okay, so from number 2, I can make B the subject of the formula. I get minus 8 minus 2A. Then I can just substitute B equals to minus 8 minus 2A into equation number 1, which is 3A plus 4B equals to 0. 3A minus 32 minus 8A is equals to 0. Bring a 32 over, 3A minus 8A is minus 5A equals to 32. A equals to 6.4. Okay, did I make a careless mistake over here? Let me press calculator another time. 2 times negative 2 to the power of 4 plus 3 negative 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 4 minus 2 to 8 plus equals to 0. So 8 plus minus 8 minus 2A. That's correct. So 2. Just give me a minute. Let me check whether my working has any mistakes. To the power of 4 plus 3, 0.5 to the power of 3. It's half. It seems like my working is correct. So A is 6.4 for some reason. Did I copy the question wrongly? 2x4 plus 3x cubed plus A. Yeah, it's correct. I wonder why is it not an integer. If I make a careless mistake, please feel free to point it out to me. Okay, so now I need to find B. So I need to substitute A equals to 6.4 into B equals to minus 8 minus 2A. So I get B equals to minus 8 minus 2A. B equals to minus 8. 2 times 6.4 is 12.8. Minus 12.8. So B equals to minus 20.8. So A is 6.4 and B is minus 20.8. Okay, now I will leave part 2 for you to try it out. If you don't know, please text me, substitute the A and the B in. Okay, if you don't know how to do part 2, text me and I will teach you how to do it. Okay, that's all I have for you for question number 7.